Hello YouTube! Today we're going out for some nighttime photography and we're gonna try to get some photos like this. So for tonight I went out to the center of Middelburg, my hometown. I'm gonna do some long exposure photography. In order to do this, I'm gonna use some longer shutter speeds, from 1 second all the way up to 30 seconds. This way we can create some cool looking effects. For instance, you can capture the blurred motion of a bus or a train moving through your shot. Another option are light trails. These are caused by cars driving through your frame. So the first shot I want to try and get tonight is one with a bus moving through the frame, creating some nice motion blur. I'm actually right across from the bus station right now, so let's head over there and see if we can find a decent composition. Let's go! Okay, so I made it to the bus station, had a little bit of a look around, and I think I found a composition that I like. I put the camera right there down on the bench. So using some lines of the bench as leading lines, I'm gonna sit at the end of the bench, lines leading to me, and then we can have a bus in the background passing by, creating that nice motion blur that we're looking for. Now, for the exposure time, I'm at about half a second to a second for this one, because we're pretty close up to the bus, so it moves through the frame pretty quickly. If I leave the shutter open too long, it will fade away way too much for the result I want. And I'll show you the result right now. So with this shot in the back, let's try one with light trails next. Time to head out to a busy street or intersection because we want a lot of cars passing through the frame. Let's go! So Middelburg isn't really a big city, but I think I found a spot that has enough traffic to make the shot work. So let me tell you what I'm doing. I've got my camera set up in the back. I've got it low to the ground because I found a checker plate lying around, and I think that will give some nice foreground interest. In the back there's a big hotel, so that will fill out the frame, and then I'll have cars passing through the shot, creating some nice light trails. Now for shutter speed, I'm using 30 seconds. I'm doing that so that I have loads of time to have a lot of traffic passing through the shot. Aperture wise, I'm going anywhere between f11 and f16, depends what gives the proper exposure, to get as much as I can in focus in one shot. Now, because I have something in the immediate foreground as well that I want to have in focus, I'm also going to take a shot focused on that so I can blend it together in Photoshop afterwards. Now let me show you what the end result looks like up on the screen. And we made it back home. If you enjoyed this video and maybe got inspired to do a little bit of light trail photography yourself, feel free to tag me when you share it to Instagram. I would love to see what you guys created. So that's all for now. I hope I see you on the next one.